tell me you're hungry again. Are you hungry again? You whine. You whine. You whine. You want to eat again? I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Say, that's my job, Mom.
You fell asleep on your job. You fell asleep just a minute ago.
I'm not good at it yet.
Yeah. Oh, what a cry. What a cry. Yeah, okay, we'll feed you again. We'll feed you again. Should we do the other side? Or same side? We'll do same side. Okay. Are you recording this or are you taking photos?